Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show step by step how you can easily create and add a form in Clickup. So the first thing you want to do is just click on a view on the top, and then you want to scroll down below and you would find form here. Click on the form, streamline your intake process by adding a form view to click gather, organize, and collect data. And let's click add a view. When you're going to do it, what we can actually find here. So on the left, we're going to have the task fields that you can add to your form. Then you're going to find the 0 results that we have. Then we have also option to view it, how it looks like, and like choosing the mode. You can make it active or disable it. Then on the right top side, you can copy the link, or you can like expire the link. Let's say it's going to be only for a month. So you can also share the link with the search engines, auto size it, and you can add the code if you want to have it on the website. So what you can do here, list to save tasks, YouTube channel. Okay, that we have. Then we are going to create our form. You can assign tasks to, let's say myself directly. Use template to create a task. So you can have it if you want to have it like that. Redirect URL. Then you can do it. You can make it theme light or dark. You can have like see. So now it's light or dark. Primarily coral. You can also choose that. Then you can have the Clickup branding there. If you don't want to, you can like change the image. That's like completely up to you. Add a custom field answers to the description of the task. Keep fields full width. You can add reCAPTCHA or show link to submit to another response. So you can have that too. reCAPTCHA, we know what it is. Keep fields full width. You can have it if you want to. We can test it out when we're gonna have everything. So let's say that first thing we're gonna add is a task name. Then we can have a start date. Then we can have a due date. And these are all guys that we can find in my list, right? Also, we can also add the custom fields that I created. So let's say it's going to be the status here. Then I'm going to also add a priority. You can even add a custom fields directly here on the bottom left. So that's what you can do. You can also have, let's say, cost of producing a video. So let's say I can add here and change what video we will create. Add a form description, right? And now I would add right here and share your ideas, what video we will be creating. And here we're gonna have all of this, right? So we can have add a field by dragging into this area. So I can simply add a task description. And now that's pretty much it, right? So what I can do next is to simply change the image. I can upload it. This is from a game, but it's okay. And now what will it look like? Look at this. I can keep fields full width. So when I'm going to view it, it's going to look like this, which is perfect. Now I can come here and I can keep fields full width. And look at this. Now it's not going to be next to each other like the start date, due date. It's going to be under. I can add reCAPTCHA to form. So let's see how it's going to look like. See, I'm not a robot. And then I can show link to submit another response. And you can have that too. Now I'm going to show you how it actually works when you want to fill it. So I'm going to copy the link now. We have what videos we will create and it's active. Now I'm going to copy it and paste it. task name, let's say this is going to be YouTube video about ClickUp. Task description, in that video I would like to do like preview of ClickUp task. Now I can choose the start date here, due date, status, priority, cost for producing video, let's say 50, and I'm not a robot. Now I will just click submit. Thank you. And let's go back to the ClickUp. Now when I go to list, look at this, business YouTube video about ClickUp. And now I can move it where I want to have. So, okay, I didn't want to make it a subtask. So this is pretty much it how we can do it. Now when I'm going to edit again, no. So that's how we do it. And you can have like hidden field here. You can see also the results here. So always going to like add you the result. And that's pretty much it. Now, if you can have regards any questions, guys, about, like, you can also add the status here. So when I'm going to like view it, you can, this is the good thing here to have. So this is what I was looking for. When you're going to create your own form, my recommendation is, when I'm going to copy and paste it again, have directly a status here, like select status, and you can have the business, yoga channel, flowers, YouTube channel, not working yet, complete. And this is also really great to have. So that's what I recommend for you to do. Now, if you can have any questions, guys, regards ClickUp on how we can create a task, or how we can use a form, or what do you want to actually learn in ClickUp, let me know down below in the comments, and I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance.